both hands to check it. And that looks good. Top and bottom. Okay. So now we're going to do an exercise. This is one way people can get better at their sewing, is to only use their left hand, because they don't use their left hand enough. So this, the trickiest part is actually this part right here, is lining it up. So I've lined it up. You can use your right hand for buttons, but otherwise you have to use your left hand. Anyway. Gonna do it again.
So if you lose your right arm, you can still be a stitcher. If you lose your right arm, you can still be a
Oh,
stitcher.
yeah. Oh, sure. Sure. People just don't use their left hands anywhere near enough when they sew. At all.
Is that still true for left-handed people?
I think yes,
Okay.
because they just they've just learned to use, you know, just different kind of form, I guess.
And wasn't the sewing machine, what handed person invented the sewing machine?
They were left-handed. All the inventors of most of, I don't know about all of them, but I know that most of them were left-handed. So, you know who picks this up super quick are quilters.
Oh, I believe it.
They pick up on this super fast.
Quilters are some of our really good stitchers too, aren't they?
Oh yeah, oh yeah. They don't freak out about small seam allowances or curves or anything.
And they generally stitch it quite often as well.
Yes, yeah, and they're accurate.
Yes. Gotta get that 1/4 inch.
Yeah. All right, that's it. See, not at all hard.